To add and subtract fractions, we use the butterfly method. Since our fractions in this example have a whole number, we have to do the Texas popcorn before we begin the butterfly method. We call it the Texas popcorn because you add here and multiply here, which makes it look like the abbreviation for Texas, TX. 5 times 11 is 55, plus 3 is 58. So that becomes our new top number. We keep the same bottom number. Now that we've converted both of our fractions into improper fractions, we are ready to start the butterfly method. Remember, the most predominant part of the butterfly is the wings, so we need to give our problem some wings. We multiply corner to corner. 5 times 5 will give us 25. 4 times 58 will give us 232. Don't forget the butterfly butt at the bottom. 5 times 4 gives us 20. Now we are ready to rewrite our problem. Because this is an addition problem, we are going to add the top two numbers. 232 plus 25 gives you 257, which is our new top number. Our bottom number stays the same. Our answer is 257 over 20, but that's improper, so we have to use our division house to make it a mixed fraction. Remember, the cowboy goes inside the house, he takes off his boots and hangs up his hat. He leaves his horse outside. Now we can divide. 20 cannot go into 2, but 20 can go into 25 one time. 1 times 20 is 20, and when we subtract, we have 5 left over, and we bring down the 7. 20 can go into 57 2 times. 2 times 20 is 40, and when we subtract, we're left with 17. Since we are not looking for a decimal answer, we can stop dividing there. Our final answer will be 12 and 17 out of 20. Remember to check and see if you can reduce your fraction. In this case, we cannot, so this will be our final answer.